some more peas. Even though, for the record, you did not finish all the peas in your mouth yet. Should I do more? Wait to see. Jacob, you should wait till you finish one before you stick the other one, the next one in. He's so good at putting them in his mouth. What do you want more of? You want more peas? You want some water? There's like 7 peas in his mouth. There. Let's see how many peas you have in your mouth.